Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will explain the installation and adjustment precautions for the hot wire. For the cutting line, we recommend using a 0.55mm hot wire. It is less likely to break, provides a higher surface temperature, and delivers smoother film cutting performance. When installing the hot wire, pay close attention to the spring tension. Before installation, the spring is in its natural state. After installation, it only needs to be stretched by approximately 1 spring length. Do not leave it too loose. Insufficient tension may cause the hot wire to sag. Even at the connection points, sagging can negatively affect cutting performance. Therefore, proper tension should be maintained. When securing the hot wire, use the small loop left at the end of the wire for winding and adjustment. Do not twist the main section of the wire directly. Although the hot wire has good tensile strength, its flexibility is relatively limited. Repeated bending or twisting can cause the wire to break. The correct method is to wrap the small end loop around the main wire to secure it in place. This helps reduce the risk of wire breakage and extends the service life of the hot wire.